Hello, my name is Kimberly Hilton and welcome to my little art studio at home. And I just wanted to share with you a quick tip for storing your large sheets of watercolor paper. So this is new to me. I just heard about it yesterday from a representative from Blick when I called for advice on storing paper. I was gonna try to purchase something that I could use, and he told me a couple of products, and but then he also told me another quick little tip too, is just hanging them from the wall. And I don't have a lot of wall space in my home studio, but I do have one wall that's large enough for this these large sheets of watercolor paper. Now these sheets are 22 by 30 inches, but this would work with probably any size sheets if you have the space for it. And all I did was get these like little office clips. I don't know if they're called bulldog clips, or that's what he suggested, bulldog clips. But these are the flat clips. They're about 3 inches wide. This is just what I had. I thought I would try the little tip and see how it works. So it didn't take me a couple of minutes to hang this on the wall, and I did it with things I already had on hand. I didn't have to go buy anything, and I thought that was really nice. So I used the long L-shaped brackets, or screws. I don't really know what they're called, and I will give you a better view of what they look like. Here's a better look of the materials that I used to hang the paper, and this is just a standard like office clip. It's flat. I like these because they're flat and they're on the inside and they're not going to hurt your paper. And it's about 3 inches wide, and then the hooks that I used in the wall they look like this, but they were longer. They were at least 1.5 inches to 2 inches long. So if I can find these materials on Amazon, I will leave a link in the description below. And I hope you have a great day and happy painting. If you use this, let me know, and I'd love to hear if it works for you. Thanks. Bye.